Welcome to FreePayroll. Your payroll experience just got smarter, faster, and a lot more intuitive. In this section, we'll walk you through how to add a new pay item. From the left-hand navigation menu, select Company, then click on Pay Items. Here, you'll see a clear overview of all existing pay items for your organization. From here, you can edit a pay item by selecting the pencil icon or delete it using the bin icon. This ensures you can keep your list clean, accurate, and fully updated. To create a new one, click Add a new pay item, then select One-off pay item. Enter the core information for your new item, name, code, and type and select if it is a benefit in kind or not. Once you add this information, you must select if you want to include this amount to calculate income tax, national insurance, or pension contributions. Then you can save your pay item and it will now be on your pay items list. Thank you for using FreePayroll, where powerful payroll meets an effortless experience.